What do you wanna be when you grow up? ये एक ऐसा सवाल है जो मुझे मेरे पूरे बचपन भर पूछा गया. And it's a shit question. Like, we are supposed to know what we are going to do in future. वो भी जब तुम 10 साल के हो.
ये जो तुम छोड़कर राह में जा रहे हो.
A better question to ask you is, do you want to be grown up? My point of telling you all this is, I am scared of turning 18. And I am turning 18 in a couple of days.
हाँ जानता हूँ कि ऐसा होता नहीं.
Hi, Namaste. मेरा नाम है प्रांजल and I am turning 18 super soon. I have been stuck at this place at my home for almost 2 years now. And life has been running pretty static lately. कल जब मैं कॉलेज का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का फॉर्म भर रहा था तब मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कितना बड़ा हो गया हूँ. एंड द फन फैक्ट इज, जब मैं छोटा था मुझे ही तो जल्दी जल्दी बड़ा होना था और अब आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. दिस ग्रोइंग अप.
Does anyone else do that thing where they imagine कि उनका ही younger version सब कुछ देख रहा है जो तुम कर रहे हो? Because maybe the younger version used to think being an adult is so cool, being 18 is so cool or something. I liked being a kid. I liked being a kid. और मुझे पता है कि I'll be the same person the next day after my birthday. I get that. But at the same time, I think identity is built on the basis of perception. And by all perception, there is difference between 17 and 18. हर नज़रिए से मैं 18 साल का हो जाऊंगा with the expectations of adult responsibility. And I'll pay taxes and vote for the rest of my life. Have my future planned. I mean, अगर एज हमारे लिए कोई सेंस नहीं बनाती, तो why do we even celebrate birthdays?
मेरी तो अक्सर ये चाहत रही है कि एक रोज तुम आ जाना.
Here comes the birthday boy. Happy birthday, kids. You're always disconnected, but use your presence and just accept it. These. If I'd be honest, this isn't what I wanted to be when I grow up, when I turn 18, and if I am honest, I am just scared.
फिर भी आंखें नम. चाहते ख्वाबों में छोड़ के जा रहे हो.
Yeah, it's dumb and immature, but it meant something to me.
बातें अब बेवजह होने लग जाएंगी कम.
If I missed out on some stuff I was supposed to do as a kid, then maybe I can miss out on some stuff that I'm supposed to do as an adult, beside of paying taxes. Look, I missed opportunities and that sucks, but it's my birthday and I am getting a Spider-Man cake and some alcohol markers as well. It has to be over now. Bye.
मगर कल को जब तुम याद आओगे, देख कर तस्वीर तुम्हारी सो जाऊंगा मैं.